This is MOES infrared reader and infrared blaster, and it's capable of doing things like controlling your TV and TV box. Hey Google, turn the box on. Controlling air conditioner. Hey Google, turn the AC on. Hey Google, set the AC to 18 degrees.
Okay, setting the air conditioner to 18 degrees.
And much more than that, based on your devices and their capabilities. Hi, I'm Deal Advisor. Let's get into the review of this MOES infrared control. If you haven't used any smart devices till this day and don't own any appliances that have smart home features, this might be a great way to start. And if you already have a smart device in your home, this could be a great addition to the list, helping your existing devices become smart. It costs around $18 on Amazon at the moment, but you can check today's price by clicking the link in the description down below. During the unboxing, you'll find infrared reader itself, a micro USB cable, a power adapter that works in the United States, the European Union and other parts of the world, and the manual. The setup is pretty quick and easy. Here are the steps to configure this device. You'll need to connect the device to power source, download and register MOES application on your phone, pair your phone with the device using Bluetooth, connect the device to the 2.4 Hz Wi-Fi, and start adding devices that you want to control with it. The application will offer you different categories to choose from, and inside each category you can look for the brand of your device. Just to clarify, your device needs to have an infrared remote in order to work with this MOES infrared control. You can also add it to your assistant app. In my case, it's Google Home. I definitely recommend doing so since it's very convenient to control the device with the voice control. And if you have a very specific device that is not included in the list, or you were able to find the brand in the list, however, some of the buttons do not work, you can train the MOES infrared reader to operate your device by selecting a button that you want to configure and then triggering the action on the device itself while pointing the infrared light of your device to the MOES infrared reader. After this simple manipulation, you should be able to perform the same action by controlling it through the MOES reader. And the best part about this is that you will be able to control your devices remotely even when you are not at home. So as an example, you can set a desired speed and temperature on your air conditioner and enjoy the perfect atmosphere of your home when you get there. On the downsides, I would admit that you may face some limitations based on your assistant application. For example, with Google Home application itself, for some reason there is no number pad available, so you can't select channel on the TV from the Google Home app, hence limiting voice control abilities as well. It may work from time to time, but it's not consistent and it's far from being ideal. In conclusion, this is a small, simple device that can simplify your life and put a smile on your face while first using it. Smart home is an exciting journey, and devices like this can help you with automating your daily routine and by helping you control some of the appliances without the need of you reaching the remotes. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. If you want to check out this device and its current price, you can find the link in the description down below. Also, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.